As you all know, problem solving is a pretty intense task for any age, and ICT is a means to dissect a problem and make it more digestible for students. So, Solve and Share is an example I'm showing here. Convince Me is another one, but both these assignments lend themselves really well to providing a platform where students can showcase their ICT skills and their problem solving skills. So, I'm going to just break in this space that's open. I'm going to break apart ICT into its three major components: important information, computation, and therefore. And I'm going to look at this problem. It's involving a table and looking at Tuesday and Wednesday and seeing how much more hours compared to Thursday. So I know I'm going to be focusing on these two pieces right now for my important information. What I really want to show here is this toolbar on Solve and Share that enVision provides has a text box. When you open that text box and click on that, it's a little T. You see the box occurs, plops itself down in the middle of the page. If you click off the text box, you can move this and maneuver it around wherever you want. I'm going to put it under the I. When you click on it again, once you have it placed, you have this division sign, which when you toggle over it says equation. This is an equation editor. And so my first step here is for the important information, and I'm going to put a mixed number, 1 and 3/4. And then I'm going to put that other piece of information, which is that fraction. I can use this fraction piece here, and that one's for the Wednesday hours study, 3/4 of an hour. And when I hit the X, this populates the text box, the equation editor, and it's there for me to move wherever I want. This circle allows me to adjust the size of the text box. Clicking off then enables me to now, with this plus sign cursor, move it wherever I want. I'll show you that again with using that other piece of information, which is Thursday, 2/4 of an hour. I go to the text box, it appears in the middle, I click off of it, then I go on and drag it. I click on it again, hit the division sign, equation editor, and now I can put in the other piece of important information, 2/4. Hit the X, and then I can adjust the size of this box and then maneuver this wherever I want it. Now I have the important information all set up. Now students can at this point show their computation skill, adding, subtracting fraction skills right here, and then they can take that information and distill it into an equation. And so that's where the equation editor comes in handy again. Again, I click it, it's in the middle, click off, drag it down, click on it again, hit the equation symbol, and now I can create that large equation. So it would be, I hit parentheses, and now I can hit 1 and 3/4, the mixed number, and then I can hit operations in units and get my operation addition. Then I can hit the fraction symbol here, and then enter the other day, hit my operation again for minus, hit my fraction, and then finally that last day, so I can find the difference. And then I can put my equal sign, which I'm not sure where oh, there it is up top. And then I can now put maybe H for hours. I can click the X. I can now click off, drag it wherever I want. Again, you can use this modeling piece. I mean, equations is a key way to model in mathematics, especially state testing requires. That's the only way you can really insert your model or your reasoning is by putting it into that equation editor and translating your work, your diagram, your modeling into this equation. And so ICT really focuses on that modeling. This toolbar and this equation editor on enVision really helps students practice problem solving for one, but also getting used to this equation editor so that when the time comes and they have to use it, they are really well versed on it and it becomes second nature. Pretty cool feature.